Let me show you how to create this 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. I am going to choose this blue color. Now choose the Type tool and write your text. I will show you the font that I am using in a while. Now choose the text layer. Right-click and choose the blending option. Select the drop shadow and follow these settings. And when you finish, press OK. Press Ctrl T. Hit the arrow key up once. Press Enter. Press Ctrl Shift Alt T multiple times. Hold Shift and select the top layer and the bottom layer. Click on this folder icon. Now let's add a drop shadow to this folder. Follow the process. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.